Hello and welcome to the challenge lesson. In this lesson you will have a challenge related to the relative and absolute reference to practice and have sure that you understood the concepts. The challenge is to find how much someone will pay in every month for using a certain service, assuming that each month's value is going to be 120% of the past month. On the other part of the challenge, I want you to calculate me how much I'm going to pay for 4 school supplies for every school supply. Okay, let's begin with this challenge here. Pause the video complete and come back here to see the result. How can we calculate 120% of a certain value? Is just equal to that value that we want to calculate times 120 over 100, which is 1.2. So we have to say equal to past month value times 1.2. For the other months, I want to pick the last month's value and increment 20%. All I have to do is to keep looking for values on the same row but changing the columns, because I want to be on the column of March or F6, look for the value on the column E6. Notice that I'm going to keep the row because it's the same row but changing the columns. Each month's values is on a different column than the other month's value. Okay, so let's write here the same that we did on February but to March. We're just going to copy and you will see every value being filled. Here we have. Now we want the total that is equal just to the sum of all the month's expenses that we had. Here we have. To find the value to my pencil boxes, I'm just going to find using equal to the price times the amount of pencil boxes, that is 4. So equal to price times $, this value right here on this column, $. I want to find it $, $. I'm just going to reference it using the absolute reference because I want to fix the value that is contained on that cell. All I want to change is just the values corresponding to this part, because I want to navigate through different school supplies prices on different rows but on the same column. I'm going to copy it vertically or drag it vertically. What's going to change? The rows are going to change, but the column is going to be the same. Here we have. So this is the solution for this challenge. Hope you understood everything, and let's move